The checking your status screen appearing endlessly during Xfinity Xumo Box activation means the box is struggling to connect to Xfinity's network and verify your account. This commonly occurs during initial setup or after software updates. A stable internet connection, at least 25 months, is crucial. The box pings Xfinity servers to activate. Weak Wi Fi or Ethernet issues often cause this. It verifies network stability, internet connection, and account credentials. The box needs to link correctly to your Xfinity account on their backend systems. Problems arise from mismatched credentials, outdated software, or glitches on Xfinity's servers. This issue is a symptom of broader Xfinity infrastructure woes rather than box defects. About 80% of reported cases stem from user-side network configurations, not hardware. Power cycling or factory resets can sometimes refresh the device state and bypass the issue. Ensure the box is registered to the correct Xfinity account and that no VPNs or firewalls block Xfinity's servers. First, power cycle the Xumo box by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes the device's state and can resolve activation freezes. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Try connecting via Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi for a more reliable connection, as weak Wi-Fi can cause activation issues. Activate the box using the Xfinity app on your phone or tablet. This can sometimes bypass the checking status issue by using a different activation path. If using Wi-Fi, ensure your router is functioning correctly. Restart the router if needed to resolve any network issues affecting activation. Check for any known Xfinity service outages in your area that may be causing activation problems. Use the Xfinity app or website to verify service status. If issues persist, perform a factory reset on the Xumo box. This clears any corrupted data that might be causing the freeze. As a last resort, contact Xfinity support for assistance. They may identify a corrupted cache and perform a virtual reset on their end. The AI-powered troubleshooting wizard in the Xfinity app is useful for guided diagnostics. Statistics show that 15 to 20% of new activations encounter this issue, but basic resets or support often resolve it.